Vivo launched its new affordable 5G phone under Y series in China called Vivo Y50i. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y50i features a tall 6.74-inch HD+ display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Vivo Y50i sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Origin OS 5 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Dual Band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.3 by 76.95 by 8.19mm, and it weighs around 204 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y50i has been priced in China at 1,499 Chinese yuan. And it is now available for purchase in the country in diamond black, platinum gold, and azure blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y50i 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.